you a renter and have been asked to use a real estate app?
You're pretty much asked to use it just to pay your weekly rent.
Nowadays, many renters are asked to use third-party renting platforms, or rent tech, to pay the rent, apply for properties, or request repairs.
Oh, they suck. Like, they're so bad. They're very frustrating, they're not easy to use.
They can offer convenience, but many experts and renters are concerned about extra fees and how tenants' data is being used.
You know, you're uploading some pretty sensitive documents and information. So yeah, I mean, I don't trust them, but you kind of have to use them, right?
They typically take dangerous amounts of data, and you know, it's just kind of scary.
Many Australian states have given tenants the right to opt out of using rent tech. But in a housing crisis, what choice do you really have?
You're in a chokehold, like you have to use them if you want to live in a place.
You're just like forced right into it.
You're not in a position of power. You know, the landlords and the real estate companies are the ones dictating what happens, and you just kind of have to follow suit.